Due to us building a new home this year and living in a camper while that new home is being built, we had to significantly cut back on what we normally grow, and we decided to experiment with growing potatoes. We already harvested 2 containers of Yukon Gold. We still have some banana fingerling and Adirondack Purple to harvest, but we have 1 container that was kind of our hodgepodge. We had leftover seed potatoes that we have Yukon Gold, Adirondack Purple, and fingerlings are, and we're going to harvest this container before we lose our Yukon Gold potatoes out of there. You can see the stalks have turned brown already. All right, as I said earlier, this is our container that has kind of a hodgepodge of potatoes in there. The Yukon Gold are here, and they're definitely ready to be harvested, even though it may be already too late. But we're just going to go ahead and cut off these stalks. All right, well, again, this is a mix of fingerling potatoes and Yukon Gold. Ooh, look at that. That's a Yukon Gold. That's a Yukon Gold. Another Yukon Gold. Another Yukon Gold. Oh, these are the fingerling potatoes right in here. It's a good bin. So out of this bin we have a number of Yukon Gold fingerling potatoes, and it looks like just two Adirondack Purple potatoes out of this bin. Well, after a little bit of discussion, we've decided to go ahead and harvest the rest of our potato containers. This one is our Adirondack Purple, and I'm going to do what I've done with the other containers and just trim off the stalks to get them out of the way. All right, let's see what we've got here. This is our first big container. Hopefully there's some potatoes in here. There's one. Little guys. Whoa. Oh, that's a seed potato. Adirondack Purple. It's like a treasure hunt. Digging for buried treasure. Three more nice ones. Whoa. Bunch more. Look, kind of hit the jackpot here of Adirondack Gold potatoes, and they're just beautiful. Again, I don't know if it was beginner's luck or what, but this has been a lot of fun. All right, there's some beautiful Adirondack Purple potatoes here. We feel very happy and fortunate to have harvested what we have, first time growing them. We're really excited to do this again next year. All right, we made the final decision to harvest all of our potatoes today, just to get it out of the way because we have so many other projects. So our final container is the banana fingerling potatoes. So as with the other containers, I'm just trimming off the stalks to the potatoes down below. All right, well, here goes our last treasure hunt for potatoes. So let's dig down and see what we've got. Well, there's one, there's 2, 3, 4. Little guy. Wow, look at this. Wow, beautiful. Oh my. Look what we have here. A string of potatoes. Wow. Look at all this. That's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll go on my treasure hunt here and see what I can find. More banana fingerling potatoes. These potatoes just keep popping out. Some beautiful ones here. Look at these. Okay, here are most of our Yukon Gold potatoes. We've already eaten some of them. This is just what we harvested for banana fingerling potatoes, our Adirondack purple potatoes, and also earlier today we harvested our garlic. So that is it for our harvest for 2019.